Well, I thought of you and it was beautiful, how you swirled around my head. And I wish again to make love to you in the belly of a rich man's bed. In the belly of a rich man's bed. Well worn out like a miner's bed, but shining like the moon. Your spirit wakes as if to say that it's a scene too much to sing, too much to sing. And I dream of you on the mountain high, in a glowing silver dress. Above your head the day blows by, and to me you must confess, to me you must confess. And in my dream we fly so high above a northern river cold. And above your head the day floats by, and into my hands you fall, into my hand you fall. When skin soft like buttermilk, and hair bright like the sun, and eyes that smile generously, and a heart that weighs a ton, and a heart that weighs a ton. Morning brings no alibi as the sun comes up too fast, and the space between us grows for now as sorrow pushes past, and sorrow pushes past, and sorrow pushes past.